Welcome to the comparison of the Find X9 series, flagship excellence versus ultimate mastery. We'll explore the distinctions between the Find X9 and the Find X9 Pro. Both devices share the same engine, the Dimensity 9500 octa-core processor clocked at 4.21 GHz. Raw processing power is never compromised, regardless of your choice. The Find X9 features a 6.59-inch display, perfect for one-handed agility. The Find X9 Pro offers maximum immersion with a larger 6.78-inch display for media and creators. In multitasking, the X9 offers 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM for speed. The X9 Pro is built for volume, with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM, handling heavier professional workflows effortlessly. The Find X9 camera setup is an all-rounder optic, a 50 megapixels main, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, 50 megapixels telephoto, plus a 2 megapixels macro lens, delivering excellent natural color. The Find X9 Pro redefines detail with a massive 200 megapixel sensor for the telephoto lens, alongside the 50 megapixels main and ultra-wide. It captures landscapes with minimal distortion. For portrait perfection, the Find X9 has a 32 megapixels front camera. The Pro offers a 50 megapixels front camera, nearly double the resolution, designed specifically for vloggers and creators. Experience power beyond the day. The Find X9 features a 7,025 mAh battery, while the Pro offers 7,500 mAh, an extra 475 mAh for the heaviest users. The Pro includes hidden layers of excellence, a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for security, AI link boost for connectivity, and a hyper-rendering engine for enhanced gaming. The discounted price for the Find X9 is 74,999 rupees. The Find X9 Pro, representing the cost of ultimate excellence, is 105,999 rupees, a difference of 31,000 rupees. Owners have validated both models. The Find X9 receives 4.6 stars, praised for value for money. The Pro scores 4.7 stars and is considered best in the market. This spec sheet showdown summarizes key differences. RAM, storage, rear camera, battery, and price distinguish the Find X9 from the Find X9 Pro. Choose the Find X9 if you want flagship performance without breaking the 1 lakh rupees barrier, prefer a compact form factor, and value the triple 50 megapixels camera setup and natural color display. Choose the Find X9 Pro if you demand ultimate 200 megapixels resolution, need 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, require the 7,500 mAh battery, and seek advanced biometrics and connectivity features. The OPPO Find X9 series offers a choice for everyone. Choose your level of extraordinary. Both models are available now on Flipkart.